Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Facebook dark mode not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and here you need to search for Facebook. Okay, and then you need to update your Facebook application. As you can see that my Facebook is up to date. Then you need to go back and go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Facebook here. So let me search. Okay, and here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to log in into your account on Facebook. Okay, and click on your profile picture on the top right and scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and here you can see that dark mode is showing. So I turn off that. So this is the simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.